So if you thought being on social media is like any other fun, any other joke, don't mind about the background. It is not a joke. Can you see this question? This question came from a friend who's a very good on social media, that is YouTube, but she saw this reaction on my status and it was talking about now it is time for me to work more smarter. Why? I've been posting simple things on Facebook, but this is the amount of money I earn. I just covered it. You don't need to consume it, but you can see in just 2 weeks, the Facebook has increased by more than 2K of my earnings. So guess how much it might be. So there are some people who need to work smarter. Are you on Facebook? Are you on YouTube? Are you on Instagram and TikTok? Don't specialize in one platform. This one platform, you can use that same content and it posts all over. We post all over all social media platforms. Now, she asked me, can I put her in? And instead of answering her alone, I'm going to put you in there. Do you know you can make money provided wherever you are? I have 30 minutes of my break, but this video is going to make for me money. I felt, let me answer you. I want you to tell me in the comment section, which platform, which social media platform do you use most? And what do you use it for? Just posting? Okay, if it is posting, do you have an intention? Do you have a goal? Now for my case, I have a goal. Anything that I post on Facebook, I post on YouTube. Or anything that I post on YouTube, I post on Facebook. Now, come with me. Do you take photos? I want you to see this that is on the screen. These are photos mainly. The photos are earning for me big amount of money. A photo can give you money provided it is well stationed. Now these are the tips I'm going to show you. When you're taking a photo, I've taken a survey of different photos, but I came to learn that, for example, if I take a photo like the one facing the camera, this photo attracts attention and algorithm gets it more faster, like when I take a photo when I've done a style like this. Yes, it can give you money in a style, but this photo that you've really, if it is yours and it is original, it gives me more. It gives me more money. Now, how do you work smarter? You work smarter in different ways on this social media platform. But on Facebook, it is more smarter. You see this video I'm doing for you? This video, I'm going to put it on YouTube and I'm going to put it on Facebook. And out of this video on Facebook, I'm going to put a photo. This photo will be having another caption. It means I'll earn on a photo, I can earn on a reel, I can earn on a caption, I can earn on a video, and I can earn on bonuses. Without forgetting, there are other ways for me to earn. You have like earning with subscription, you have like earning with the stars. Stars are gifts that are given to you. I'll be bringing, after this video, the next video that is going to come after this video, I'll be explaining for you how deeply you can earn money on Facebook or with WhatsApp. Because it's like, I like it, but you guys, whenever you watch a video on Facebook or on YouTube, whether you're my friend, whether you're in my contacts, you need to put a comment there. Because it is so a bit hard for me to refuse to explain for you when you're my friend and you said I was watching your video but I did not get to. But what surety do I have that you really watched the video? But you know, when you go and put a comment, it will be easier for me to come and explain for you, even if it is in your inbox. Now let's recap it. You can earn money smartly. And now it has given me more reasons. Because there are sometimes when you need a push. There are sometimes when, you know, your dear darling, You don't know that a mere photo like this, a mere video that I'm doing like this, just 5 minutes video, can turn your life around. It can announce you. Let me show you this video. This video, I did it the same place here. But this video, it is short, as simple as 5, but it has already given me more than $3. Can I ask you, by the time it reaches 1,000, how much will it be? And by the time it reaches 10K, how much will it be? Do you think you can get money out of your photos, out of your activities, out of your free time? Yes, you can get it. Let's dive in and make money with Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. Let's make money with our photos. Let's make money with our reels. Let's make money with our fun videos, our environment, and everything. Thank you very much. See you in another video. Bye-bye.